What's up, you guys? I'm checking out this live webinar thing here. Live Facebook Live here via desktop. It's crazy, crazy stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and post here in the comments my link to the ServeNow page. So if you haven't tried out ServeNow, when you check it out, when you're the first of all, I'm doing this webinar. It's about automation domination, being able to teach you how to, from beginning to end. It's basically a business model. That's how I think. It's like a business model format. I'm getting emails about me being on Facebook Live. That's pretty cool. So, so I'm from beginning to end. So from the sales process and considering how lawyers and attorneys and people like that might find you, I'm going to go from beginning to end. I'm going to talk about process servers in general. Who are your market? We're going to talk about that in automation domination. We're going to talk about in this webinar with Trent Carlisle, the owner of he's the CEO of ServeManager, and I'm using ServeManager software to be able to automate this whole system, to automate this part of the system to manage the serve. And the reason why is it's seamless. I can go from customer looking on the internet thinking about hiring us to getting an upsell on them, right? Getting my average cart value from like $79 to $94 on almost every transaction, and having it automatic, giving them the burden of the data entry that automatically gets put into the system, that automatically the documents are attached. Automation is beautiful. ServeManager's payment system is probably one of the main reasons I went back to them. I tried PST, I tried TriStar, I tried, that's it actually. I made my own PDF document forms, which if I was going to do anything else, I would probably go back to doing that. But ServeManager makes it so easy. I really don't need a staff of more than one or two, and they love it. My staff loves it. They said it shouldn't be this easy to work every day. And that's kind of how it's been lately. So the only reason I'm doing this Facebook Live is because I just got a notification that ServeNow went ahead and set up their registration via a Zoom webinar link. And I was like, I need for my people to know that this is something that I'm going to be doing with them. So when you register for the webinar with ServeNow, and you check out their platform, I'm going to give you, on August 1st, my book comes out, Automation Domination. I'm going to give the first 50 registrants a copy of my book free. So you guys just, you're going to get a free copy of the Automation Domination book. And basically it's going to walk you through what we're going to talk about in the webinar. But then that way you have a physical copy of it and you can go through it and reference it. Yeah, I could show you that too. But so anyway, I just wanted to give you, if you guys can go ahead and share this video, I would appreciate it very much. I'm going to share it on Server Nation, but if you could share it in your other avenues, other places, that way everybody knows about this. I could come on here probably. I can't do a screen share, else I would show you. You have to start out with the screen share in order to show you. But I have found out this system where I'm just baffled by it. Like, let me just show you. So it's like working should not be this easy. You know what I mean? So let me just show you. So whenever a job is whenever someone comes on my website and they purchase, let's say this week, 25 successful charges for $2,400 in the last 4 days. So it's not too bad, but 2,472. I'm not doing that to brag or anything because that's actually not that much. It's been a slow week. I'm doing that to show you, and there's some way I can do it on here. It actually sends me a little message that says new sale, new sale. And what's crazy is when I first started doing this and I set it up, the new sale would always say 79, 79, 79, because that's how much it is for my routine service here. And so they come on and they'd order routine service, $79, and then all of a sudden it started coming up 94. And it's because I did something that I learned from ClickFunnels, which is a genius thing. You could use it with any platform probably, but ClickFunnels makes it super easy. And then after they enter their information into a form that I built on ClickFunnels, it automatically, through API technology, gets entered into ServeManager. And then ServeManager sends me through Zapier, another app that I use, sends me every time I get a new job, it sends me a new job. And I just started this about a month ago, this part of it. So it just keeps going, right? I just got a few of them today. So anyway, I'm just excited because there's no more spending time on the phone because I created a cool video that explains all of my services. I have it laid out really cool on the website where it's very clear. I have the form for them to fill out, for them to upload their documents. I have the after they have their to easily pay, and then they get an order bumped, offering them something small on a discounted rate, and their attorneys, a lot of times they're just going to forward that cost anyway. And so I just brought my average cart value from 79 to 94. And that's a pretty big deal overall in the long run. And so on this webinar that we're having, July 19th, we're going to show you, Trent and I are going to walk you through. I'm specifically going to show you how I did this and how I use this technology to automate my firm and to save money. It's insane, you guys. So I'm excited about it. I hope you're excited about it. Share it. Go register for the webinar. And Trent is going to give me a list of the first 50 people who register, and they're going to get a copy of my book free. Okay? We will talk to you guys soon. I hope you're excited.